Hi guys, welcome to Richard Cabile YouTube channel. In today's video, I will teach you how to change phone number in Yahoo Mail. So okay guys, but before we start, kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel by pressing the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new video. So okay guys, let's start. All you have to do is go to Yahoo Mail application in your mobile phone. Okay guys, here in Yahoo Mail app, click the profile picture on the upper left side on your screen. And click manage account. Okay guys, here in manage account, click account info. Okay guys, here in account info, click security settings. Okay guys, after that, in account security, okay, you can see your phone number, and to change it, you all have to do is click phone number. And okay guys, here, so okay, you can see your phone number here. So okay, you can see the pencil icon on the right side of phone number. So okay, to change it, click the pencil icon. So okay guys, and now you can see the edit recovery phone number. So okay, in this tutorial I will change my phone number. So okay, you'll have to do is edit the phone number. Okay guys, after you entered your new phone number, you all have to do is click confirm button. So okay guys, enter verification code sent to your mobile phone. Okay guys, after you enter the code from your phone number, you all have to do is click the verify phone number button. Okay guys, we have successfully verified the phone number, and okay guys, your phone number are changed. So okay guys, if you have a question, kindly comment below, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new videos. Okay guys, thank you for watching.